let's show you how to use Party Connect to link multiple alt speakers together so the vibe can follow you anywhere. Party Connect lets you wirelessly connect up to 100 compatible Sony alt speakers, like the Field 3 and Field 5 for a bigger, more immersive sound. Unlike stereo pair, you're not limited to 2 of the same model. Before we begin, make sure all speakers are within 1 meter of each other. Stop any music that might be playing, and check for software updates on all your speakers for the best experience. Step 1. Power on the first speaker. Connect it to your phone or device via Bluetooth. Once connected, press the connect button. You'll hear a chime and the connect light will begin flashing, then stay lit. This speaker becomes your host. Next, power on your second speaker. Press the connect button again. After a moment, the connect light will stop flashing and stay on. The Bluetooth light will turn off on the second speaker, indicating it's now linked to the first. Step 3, add more speakers. Want to go bigger? You can keep adding speakers one at a time. Just be sure to connect each new speaker within 30 seconds of the last one. If you wait too long, press the connect button again on the first speaker to resume adding. Step 4, start the party. Now you're ready to press play. Music from your phone will stream across all speakers at once. You can control volume from your phone or from the host speaker. Each speaker can also be adjusted individually if needed. To end Party Connect, just press and hold the connect button on the host speaker until you hear a chime and see the connect light turn off. If you only want to disconnect one speaker, hold connect on that speaker instead. Also, if you plug in an aux cable, Party Connect turns off automatically for that speaker. Pro tips. Party Connect is perfect for music, but may have a slight delay with video. It switches to the SBC audio codec to keep things stable. And remember, depending on which model is the host, lighting effects and alt button behavior may vary. Thanks for watching.